Hi everyone. Tonight for supper I'll be making Old Faithful. And this recipe comes out of the cookbook, I Hate to Cook book. What all goes into Old Faithful? 4 medium thick lamb or pork chops. I was going to get lamb, all they had was shoulder chops, and they were super thick, and each one was about $8. So I got pork chops. 1 cup raw rice, 1 can consommé or broth or bouillon, a tiny pinch of marjoram, a tiny pinch of thyme. It says 1 large onion. This is more medium, but that's all I had. 2 ripe tomatoes, 1/2 green pepper cut into rings, salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons fat. I'm actually just going to use coconut oil. So let's begin. Take a large skillet, put in your 2 tablespoons of fat. I'm using coconut oil. All right, so the coconut oil has melted. Put your pork chops or your lamb chops in there and brown them on both sides. While the pork chops are browning, take a casserole dish. I'm just going to be using a 9x13 and put in your 1 cup of uncooked rice. On the bottom of your casserole dish, set that aside. Preheat the oven to 350 and lay them on the rice. Take each chop and lay slices of the veggies on there. So we'll do onion first. And I should have done onion rings, but it just said sliced onion. Then put on your sliced tomato. And then you can salt and pepper on the way. So I will salt and pepper on the tomatoes. So we'll salt and pepper the tomatoes. I always like salt on my tomatoes anyway. You can salt after each addition if you want to. I don't know if I will or not. It's to taste. Then put your green pepper slices on. And I may pepper them because I like pepper. So far we have our rice on the bottom, then we have our pork chop, then we have our veggies. Then we'll take and pour the consommé. I'm going to shake it up just a little bit. We'll pour that over the pork chops. And the rice. We want to make sure the rice get wet. And then I have, I don't know if you can see that, a pinch measuring spoon. And it calls for a pinch of marjoram and a pinch of thyme. So put your Old Faithful in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour. So here is the meal called Old Faithful. It has pork chops, onions, tomatoes, green peppers, and rice. Let's see what Dave thinks. That is Old Faithful.
Old Faithful.
That's what it says. I come from the I Hate to Cook cookbook.
Oh, well, for hating to cook, it sure turned out good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.